Hi, I'm Rona and welcome to English Lessons with YouTube videos. In today's lesson, we will be learning the present continuous tense with those cute cat videos that you really love. This is an active lesson, which means that we will be doing interactive tasks and quizzes in order to help you learn. So we have 4 steps in this lesson. Try, see how you get on, and then decide if you want to do step 2, which is the review part. You can skip this if you want. Then you can go into steps 3 and 4 to practice even more. Don't forget that you can turn subtitles on or off depending on your ability, and you can hit pause at any time if you need more time. Let's get started. Step 1. Try. What is the cat doing? A. It is trying to eat the fish. B. It tries to eat the fish. Or C. It is trying to cook the fish. Answer. A. It is trying to eat the fish. What is the cat doing? A. It am dancing. B. It are dancing. Or C. It is dancing. And the answer is C. It is dancing. Very good. What is the cat doing? A. It are sleeping. B. It is dreaming. C. It dream. And the answer is B. It is dreaming. What is the cat doing? A. It is wearing a hat. B. It is wearing sunglasses. Or C. It is wearing a scarf. And the answer is B. It is wearing sunglasses. What are the cats doing? A. They fighting. B. They is fighting. Or C. They are fighting. Answer. They are fighting. What are the cats doing? A. They are chase the light. B. They are chasing the light. Or C. They am chasing the light. Answer. They are chasing the light. Very good. Now, let's take a quick review on the present continuous tense. So, first of all, what is the present continuous tense? When do I use it? Let's have a look. We use present continuous tense when something is happening now, or when something you have started and not finished yet. Let's look at an example. The cat is eating. I am reading a good book. The cat is eating now. I am reading a good book, but I haven't finished the book yet. We can also use present continuous tense for future tense when we have made arrangements in advance. For example, I'm playing tennis later. How do I form it? Forming the present continuous tense is quite simple. We have 3 parts: subject, verb to be, and the gerund, which is the verb with ing. So we can say, I am dancing. You are dancing. He, she, it is dancing. We are dancing. They are dancing. This is for affirmative sentences. We can also make a contraction between subject and verb to be, making I'm, you're, he's, she's, and it's, we're, and they're. To make I'm dancing, you're dancing, he's dancing, we're dancing, they're dancing. This is an easier and quicker way of saying I am dancing, etc. If we form the negative, we need to put the word not after the verb to be. For example, I am not dancing. You are not dancing. He, she, it is not dancing. We are not dancing. They are not dancing. If we want to form a question, we need to invert subject and verb to be. Let's have a look. Am I dancing? Are you dancing? Is he dancing? Are we dancing? Are they dancing? Let's see some examples. Examples for the present meaning, not the future meaning, the present. She is having a shower. I am reading an interesting book about cats. I have not finished it yet. It's not raining at the moment. Are you enjoying the party? Examples for future meaning. I'm getting married on Saturday. He is having dinner with Kate on Friday. Ian isn't playing football tomorrow. What are you doing this evening? Step 3. Let's practice. Task 1. Put the words in the correct order. This is the example. You will see cat is the playing. When you watch the video, you will have to put it into the correct order, which is the cat is playing.
Who are you talking to? Do you know who you're talking to?
Talking the is cat. Can you put this into the correct order? Well done, the cat is talking. They playing are. That's right, they are playing. Good job. My cat playing I'm with. Answer, I'm playing with my cat. Very good. Task 2. Now, you need to correct the errors. There are errors, there are mistakes in the sentences. Look at the example. The cat are playing is incorrect. You need to make it correct. The cat is playing is correct. The turtle is not eat. Well done, the turtle is not eating.
And you can hear that story and much more on Stateside this afternoon at 3, right before All Things Considered. Support for Michigan Radio comes from Hungry Harvest.
This is a question. Be careful. They are fighting. Well done. They are fighting becomes are they fighting? The cat is walking. Excellent. We need the negative. The cat is not walking. Are they look at the goose? Question. Are they looking at the goose? Well done. Okay, now it's quiz time. Step 4. I have the best videos for you for the quiz. What do we like more than cats? That's baby cats, and they are called kittens. So let's get started. For each video, you will write a sentence based on what you can see, you, and play in the present continuous tense. For example, you are playing, or using the contraction, you're playing. Let's start. I brush. I am brushing my kitten. I am brushing or I'm brushing can also be accepted, depending on what you have put. Number 2. The kitten copy. The kitten is copying the cat, or the kitten is copying. Number 3. We play. Well done. We are playing or we're playing. Number 4. They not play. This is a negative sentence. Very good. They are not playing or they're not playing. You're doing very well. Number 5. I not drink wine. Another negative sentence. Excellent. I am not drinking wine or I'm not drinking wine. Number 6. He jump. Question. Is he jumping? Very good. Number 7. You sleep. Question. Are you sleeping? Very good. Last one. Number 8. We escape later. This is when we're using it for future tense. We are escaping later or we're escaping later. Now, can you write in the comment section below your score out of 8? What are you doing today? You can also write in the comment section what you're doing today. I will give it a like if you have written it correctly. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you like this video so you don't miss any more. Bye bye!